Okay, students, we have another question. Question number 15 of exercise 4.2. Choose the correct answer. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then determinant of k times A, where k is a scalar number, is what? We have to choose. It's a multiple choice question. You have to choose the correct option. So they are asking determinant of k times A. So if A is a, suppose, let us take an example. A is some matrix. I wanted to explain this problem. Suppose there is one matrix A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. I am multiplying this matrix A with K. So it means I am multiplying the each and every element of the matrix with K using matrix multiplication, scalar multiplication of a matrix with scalar number. So it is nothing but K A1, K times A2, K times A3, K times B1, K times B2, K times B3, K times C1, K times C2, K times C3. Now I want the determinant of K times A. Determinant of the corresponding matrix. To replace this matrix symbol by vertical bars, so it is K times A1, K times A2, K times A3, K times B1, K times B2, K times B3, K times C1, K times C2, K times C3. So we have studied in determinants only, we can take out common. So if I want to divide the first row by K, that means I am taking out common. Okay, so I have to multiply it outside K. One more K from second column, so I'll multiply it with, and one another K from the not column, third row. First row K, second row K, third row also I am taking out K common, and then I will get nothing but A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This is nothing but K cube, and this is what? Determinant A, determinant of A. It is determinant of the matrix A. So it is proved that determinant of K times A, it is K cube times A. So which is the correct option? Correct option is this. This is your correct option. C option is correct. Basically, children, if you want to study the property also, if there is a matrix B of order n, square matrix of order n by n, definitely determinants of only square matrices exist. Okay, so B is a square matrix of n by n of order n, then determinant of alpha times B is always, you remember, it is alpha raised to order of B into determinant of B. So this is what we can apply directly. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So the scalar, according to this property, this should be K cube times determinant of A, because order of A is 3. If it would have been of order 2, then determinant of K times A would be K square determinant A. So this you should understand. Okay.